your unique selling proposition. How do you define it? What do you actually put into it? And how do you use it to make more money? This is the topic of today's video right after this. So you all heard it before, you need to know what your USP is. But what is a USP, a unique selling proposition? Because everyone seems to be offering the same services or products. What actually makes you special? This is the topic, and today we're going to look at a few ways to define your USP. First of all, you need to know that it's not as hard as it seems, because all it means is an answer for the question, why should they pick you? If you have a good answer for the question, why should they pick you, then already you understand your USP. And the better answer you've got to that question, the better USP it is. Now, it's going to make it harder on you. There are certain words that you simply cannot use when you're defining your USP. You cannot say best. You cannot say 24/7. You cannot say local. You cannot say professional. You cannot say cheap. Try that. Try to describe what is special about you. Why should I work with you without saying those words? If you cannot use best and professional or cheap, already you have like this entire new situation where you need to define yourself in a way that is related to your niche, to your customer, and to your service. I want to use a metaphor to help you understand where is your USP hiding. And that is the metaphor of a magician. Imagine a world where all the magicians out there are only using a pack of cards and they're doing card tricks. And suddenly, there's a magician that offers a different show. It's a show where he will come all over to your house, to your event, to your venue, and he will bring his monkeys. And he has a monkey that can jump through a hoop that is on fire. I call this the monkey jumping through a fiery hoop. And we're not going to harm any animals in this metaphor, so just for the sake of discussion, we can even say it's a porcupine. It's a porcupine jumping through a fiery hoop. And that is a part of that magician's show. Now you can choose. Do you want to see a magic show with cards, or do you want to see the one show, the only show that has a porcupine jumping through a fiery hoop? You need to find your USP in the content of your business, in the actual service of your business. You need to make it special, something that people will talk about, something that will be awesome. You want to make it amazing, something they never seen in their life. That's what you should strive for. That will be a way for you to create a USP that actually makes money. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please share with me in the comments below. What do you think is the reason why people choose you? What is your monkey or porcupine that jumps through a fiery hoop? And I will see you in the next video.